In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a grayed out FaceTime icon for a contact on your iPhone. Let's ensure that you can connect seamlessly with your friends and family through FaceTime without any hassles. To start with, let's take a look at the fundamental step, checking your internet connection. This might sound basic, but a weak or disconnected network is often the culprit behind a lot of app issues, including FaceTime. Be sure to verify that either your Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled and functioning correctly. Without a solid internet connection, FaceTime won't operate as it should. Next, it's crucial to ensure that FaceTime is enabled on your device. To do this, you'll want to navigate through your settings. Simply head over to Settings, then go to Apps and tap on FaceTime. Once you're there, take a look if the toggle is set to On. If it isn't, switch it on, and if it is but issues persist, a useful trick is to turn it off, wait around 5 seconds and then turn it back on. This can sometimes reset minor glitches that are causing the issue. Now, you'll need to decide on what quality of your contact. This is often overlooked, but remember, FaceTime only works between Apple devices, so ensure that the person you're trying to call is indeed using an Apple device and has FaceTime enabled as well. If you're unsure, you might want to check with them directly or see if they have a similar issue when trying to contact you. Moving forward, let's talk about signing into FaceTime with your Apple ID. This step is essential. In your settings under FaceTime, verify that you're signed in. If you're not already, sign in with your Apple ID. Double check that your phone number or email is correctly checked. This ensures that you can both send and receive FaceTime calls. Finally, if none of the previous steps resolve the grayed out icon issue, it's time for a good old restart of your iPhone. A restart can often solve unusual glitches. To do this, hold down the power button and follow the slide to power off directions. Once your iPhone is off, wait a few seconds, then hold the power button again to turn it back on. After restarting, check if the FaceTime icon still appears grayed out or if it's now accessible. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the grayed out FaceTime icon issue and enjoy seamless video calls. If you followed all these steps and the problem persists, it might be worth contacting Apple support for further assistance. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for